Hi, I'm Henry Lim. I'm the former prototyping team lead.
Hi, I'm Jeff Wong. I'm the current prototyping team lead. And we're Monash Sustainable Buildings, a multidisciplinary student engineering team that focus on net zero buildings, and we try to bring back to the community and the environment.
So what we have here today is a modular meeting room that we built for the Motorola grant solution that focuses on transportability and also soundproofing. So why we made the meeting room was due to the noisy nature in our digital makerspace that has a lot of people talking and also a very collaborative space. But when you're going for a phone call or have an online Zoom meeting, it is very difficult to hear the other person over the phone. So having a meeting room just provides a nice private and secluded space for them to have this meeting. So the impact and innovation of this project is that it's transportable, flat-packable, and also soundproofing, but also mainly made of sustainable materials and recycled materials that can be sourced locally from any hardware store that you have. One of the materials that I would like to focus on actually is the live panel insulation that we have in the back here. This live panel insulation is a wood fiber insulation. By having it in a composite layer that we have here, we actually found that it provides about 25 dBA in noise reduction, which is more than enough for a normal conversation within a Zoom meeting.
One of the key challenges was to balance between the transportability and the soundproof. Each wall panel had gaps, and each solution that we had proposed exposed more problems. After that, we had to run brainstorming sessions to provide better and propose solutions that we think are feasible. As a result, we managed to have this overall structure and solve the sound attenuation issue, and it performs much better than what we expected. Despite all these challenges, not only we achieved the project outcomes, this project has brought us closer together and we have gained a very valuable experience. We would like to thank Motorola Solutions Grant and MSTI team for their continuous support and guidance. This project wouldn't be possible without you. Thank you.